I've got all the names. I'm ready to draw them. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to draw them until tomorrow. Also, elephant in the room. Happy No Shave November. I'm clean shaven today. Don't get used to it. It's No Shave November. You just start fresh. That's all that is. Anyway, though. So I can't do the drawing today. I ran into a little bit of an audio problem with my mixer. I think I can get it fixed, but I'm going to need today to go ahead and fix it. Then I'll go ahead and see about shooting the video today, and we'll get it posted and edited by tomorrow, along with the secret to unlimited Las Vegas loyalty points there. So unlimited My Vegas loyalty points. So we're gonna get that in there too. But just wanted to go ahead and make that announcement. So the entries are closed, and we're gonna go ahead and get that drawn tomorrow. I know I kept saying Thursday. I know I kept saying today, and I really wanted it to be today too, but you know, it doesn't do us any good if we can't hear who won. So I thought I'd go ahead and just get this out of the way. Worst case scenario, I'll do it as a face cam, and then we'll get it figured out one way or another. So, but video tomorrow on who wins, and then we'll just go ahead and go from there. So thanks again for everybody who's entered, everyone who's subscribed, everyone who keeps supporting us, and we're gonna give back to you tomorrow, and we're gonna keep growing so we can keep giving back to you guys. And you know, never hesitate to share the videos. I mean, definitely like them. The more engagement that we get from you guys, though, the more growth we get, and then the more stuff we can do, so we can get bigger budgets, so we can do bigger giveaways, or maybe host some. I'd really like to host some parties sometime in the future, like a big meet and greet, kind of like Jacob Worth does, and then the guys from Living in Las Vegas, they like to do that sort of stuff too. Of course, they have thousands and thousands of followers. I have a couple hundred right now, so we're starting small right now, and we're gonna work our way up. But until then, Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow for that giveaway.